Hi, good afternoon everyone. So we've collaborated with Greendot consultancy in AeroBlue footwear, and I am Rahul Adnani, the director of AeroBlue footwear. We collaborated mainly with Greendot as we were facing issues for our production model, wherein we were not going with the line system, and we were working, all departments were working differently, wherein we were seeing a lot of productivity loss. In the last 60 days, Greendot has helped us to review the whole system, and it has been a very good journey in the last 2 months to understand where we are losing our productivity. By just giving a tracking to all the departments and making the graphs every day by themselves, the productivity has seen an increase of about 20%. So if we were making 100 pairs a day in a department, today we are making 120. And I think we have started implementing some more lean manufacturing tools here like VSM, 5S, Kaizen, and many more, which will definitely help us to take our productivity onto 100%, on a 95% of productivity. So I think we are very keen on learning more new tools from Greendot, and let's see how it proceeds. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.